In this video, I'm going to show you the best website builder for photography websites. Do you want to build a photography website as a complete beginner in 2021 to showcase your photography skills? So that may look like this. So this is a pretty cool website that I'm going to show you in this video how to build as a complete beginner. So if you want to learn how you can build a photography website, keep watching. To build our website, we're going to be using Wix. Wix is a simple website builder with free plans available as well as upgrades for premium plans, so that if you want a custom domain name, you can do that. If that sounds confusing, don't worry, I'll get into it in this video. Alright, so we're going to be creating a photography website that you can be proud of, alright? So you want to go to Wix and you want to click on the blue Get Started button. That will then send you over to the sign up or sign in page. If you already have an account, probably not, but if you do, you can simply sign in. If you don't, then you can click on sign up right there and you can go ahead and create your account. You can do that with your email, you can continue with Google, or you can even continue with Facebook. Once you've signed up for an account, they will send you over to your dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, this will be empty, but you can click on create new site in the top right corner. Once you do that, you can click on other. You'll see photography right there, but trust me, just click on other. Next up, you want to choose this option right there. So you've got two options. You can let the Wix ADI system create a website for you. It will do that automatically. That is pretty easy, but I recommend going with the template so that you can choose which template you would like to use. You can also build it from scratch, but using the templates is very easy. So what you can do is click search all templates, and what you can then do is simply search for photography, and you'll find all of these templates that you can then start using for your own website. So if you're a wedding photographer, they've got templates available. If you are or have a photography studio, you can do that. If you're a food photographer, you can go with this one. We've got an art one. So you guys get the point. What you want to do here is simply find a template that you would like to use, and you can then customize the content on that template. So what I'm going to do for now is go with the wedding photographer template. And if you're not sure yet, what you can do is click on view right there, and you can then click on view full demo to get an understanding of what the template looks like, so that you know whether you want to use it or not. So this is what the wedding photography template looks like. Looks pretty cool, pretty professional, so I'm going to use this. Once you know for sure that you want to use it, you can click on edit this site in the top right corner. They will then send you over to the Wix website editor. So the Wix website editor is where you can customize all of the content on here and change it for whatever you do, right? So this is the template that I've chosen. Now you can see that right here we've got this specific name. Now you can customize this by simply clicking on it, then click edit text, and you can then put your photography company name or whatever, just your personal name in there, right? So my channel is called How to Digital, so what I can do is write down How to Digital on there, and you can see that that actually changes. Now what you can also do is highlight this, and then you can change the font right there. So maybe I want to go with this one, or maybe I want to go with this one. You simply click it and then it will pretty much change, right? So right now this is the font that I'm going with. I can then also go to effects, and I can even change the color on here. So maybe I would like to go with a black text color, but of course that doesn't fit this website, but if you want to, you can do it. Now you might also be wondering, how do I change the background on here? So what you would do is simply select the section or simply click on it and then click change strip background. So what this allows you to do is that you can change it to a color, an image, or video. So simply click on the option that you would like to go with, and you can then upload a video or choose one from all of the free stock images and videos that are already available. So what I can do is simply search for a specific category or topic, for example wedding, and they'll show you all of these medias that are available and that you can use for free. Now you are a photographer, so chances are that you have your own pictures, of course, but in case you don't, or you simply want to check out what kind of videos or photos they've got available, you can upload one of these. And you can also upload your own by clicking on upload media, of course, but I'm going to change it and see what it looks like. There we go. That looks pretty cool. So what I'm now going to do, like I said earlier, is change the text color to black so that it fits better, just like that. And then I'm also going to do that for this, and then there we go. And there we go. So that looks pretty cool. Now once you're done with the header, what you can do is simply scroll down and you'll see the next specific section, and this is how you can build your entire website. So you've got all of these strips, aka sections, that you can adjust and customize to whatever you would like. Alright, so this is the About Me page. So right there you can add a picture of yourself and you can kind of like explain what you do and what kind of services that you deliver. You then also have a book a session button, so if people want to book a session with you, then they can click right there and you'll send them over to a different page. You can view all of these pages by clicking on menus and pages in the top left corner. And then right there you'll see we've got the home page, we've got the about page, portfolio, contact, client albums, and then right there they can book online. If you want to visit one of these pages or customize them, you want to click on it and it will then send you over to that specific page, if that makes sense. And there we go, book online. This is where people can then book a photography session with you. So wedding collection, 1 hour, let's talk. Couples collection, 1 hour. International wedding, let's talk. So this is where people can then book, and you can add all sorts of things on here. You can add whatever you're selling, and it doesn't matter if you're doing wedding or pretty much art or nature. It doesn't matter what kind of photography you do. But if we go back to menus and pages, go to side menu and the home page, I want to show you how you can customize the entire page. So the way this works is that you can simply click on all of the sections on here. So it's drag and drop. You can then edit that specific section. So on here you can click and you can then customize it. On here you can click and you can customize it. And that's what I really like about Wix and about this website builder. It's really convenient and simple to use for beginners. So yeah, that's definitely a great thing. You can also preview your website by clicking on preview in the top right corner. So if you're customizing it and you just want to check out what it looks like, you can click on preview and you can then use the website as if you were an actual visitor. So this is what my wedding photography website now looks like. Looks pretty cool to me, looks pretty professional, and yeah, I'd be happy to go live with this specific website. So it's actually working. I can go to the book online page, and yeah, all of this is looking pretty cool. Let's talk, just like that, and then people can also do that, but it's still loading. Let's wait. And there we go, people will then be able to schedule an appointment with me on here. So all of this is working and all of this is pretty cool. So now you guys know how you can choose a template, customize it, and pretty much set up your own website. You're probably wondering, how do I go live with that website? Alright, so we've got two options. You can go with the free Wix plan and get a free domain name, or you can buy a premium domain name and hosting. And you can do that by getting a Wix plan. If you want to go with the free domain name, your website domain will look like this, right? Test wedding, there we go. It will then be that specific domain name. So it will be your account name, .wixsite.com/ and then you can do whatever right there. But that's not looking professional. So if you're doing photography for business, then I highly recommend using a customized domain name, and that could then be www.yourname or yourbusinessname.com. So if you click that option and you click save and continue, what they're going to do is they're going to redirect you to the Wix premium plans. In case you already have a domain name, you can click right there. If not, click right there and they'll send you over to the plans. Now, I'm not that guy that's going to push you guys to buy anything or whatever. I highly recommend checking this out yourself, doing your own research on what kind of plan you need, and you can see all of the features that come with it. So these plans remove Wix ads, you get a free domain name for a year, you can get a custom domain, you can get storage page, video hours, all of this is included. But like I said, I'm not the guy that's going to push you guys, but this does include all of this. So what you would then be able to do is simply link it to your actual website, and I'll show you what that looks like for me right now. So you guys can see that on my account, I've got a premium plan going on here, and I've got the domain howtodigitalstore.com. So if you click on that, you can see what it looks like. So if you go ahead and buy that premium plan, you can get this and you can create that domain name yourself. So it's going to be your business name or whatever name you would like .com, and you can get that one for free for a full year. And you can then pretty much set up your own website just like this, or like the photography website. So yeah, I hope this simple video helped you out. If it did, then I would appreciate it If you can leave a like on the video, let me know if you have any questions about setting up your own website, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.